Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first, what you guys want to do is remove any screen protector if you have one. I know it sounds a little bit dumb, but if you do have one, then that means you take extra secure steps with your devices. But I would recommend you guys removing it. If you also have a case for the KOBO, then I recommend you guys taking it off and see if it fixes the issues with the touchscreen. So now what you guys can do is grab a microfiber cloth. So let me get my microfiber cloth and try to clean the screen. Don't go too harsh on it. I am not using any power. So now it should be shiny and looking cool. So now after that, what we can do is we can power off and power on our KOBO to see if that refreshes the system. So let's hold the power button until we see power off right here. And now let's click and hold the power button again until we see a change on our screen. So it should take a couple of seconds. You just do it again. It will take a while, so it's normal that it takes like 10 to 20 or even 30 seconds. So all we gotta do is just wait for it to turn on. So I'll probably see you guys after I turn it on. Now I turned it on, and now what we can do is we can go over to settings. So click more, go to settings, and here go to device information. Here we need to click on update check and check for updates. So we should get an information that our e-reader is up to date. As you guys can see, it popped up right here. And now what we can do is basically get it to a service center and get it checked out by a professional if nothing worked. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.